We're creating a baby shower invitation for this season. And instead of starting from scratch, we're choosing a pre-made design to speed things up. This template already does a lot of the heavy lifting for us. It has that soft, fresh look that instantly feels like spring, which makes it a perfect starting point for a baby shower. Now I'm going to start adjusting the layout to better fit our theme. I'm removing anything we don't need, rearranging a few elements, and updating the text so it matches our event. This is where the template really becomes your own. Small changes, but they make a big difference in how personal and sell-ready it feels. As I go, I'm paying attention to spacing and alignment. Making sure everything has room to breathe helps the design feel clean and easy to read, which is especially important for invitations. Once the layout feels balanced, I'm adding a bit of color to tie everything together. This helps create cohesion across the design and gives it that polished, finished look, something that feels intentional. And just like that, we've created a unique spring-ready baby shower invitation that's ready to list. If this helped you see how simple it can be to create something sell-ready, make sure to like and subscribe for more. And if you're working on your own templates, I'd love to know, what theme are you creating next? Let me know in the comments.